Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'll give you the 10 trending products to sell online in 2023 and how I found them using this little known hack. So if you're watching this video in 2022, good. Now, if you're watching this in 2023, amazing. Keep watching because these products will sell throughout the year and make sure to add them to your store. I've created this list from Google Trends and Zik Analytics, so it's all validated through data. So let's jump into it. So the first product that we're looking to is sun hats. Sun hats, as you can see over time, the interest in 5 years, it has been growing. You see the peaks, but you see if you measure the average between the low point and the high point, it is a good product to sell. There is demand throughout the year. And then if you look closely, you see it's like from April to July, June, August. You see that's where it peaks because it has to do with the season, the summer. We're looking only United States. When we look worldwide, it's about the same thing, although the average and the lower points are higher, which also means it's a good product to sell throughout the year. And then see here, United Kingdom, interested by region, New Zealand, Ireland, United States, and Australia. Great marketplaces. And in Zik Analytics, we come here to the product research and then we place sun hat. And this is what we see. We see a sell-through rate of 3,000%. You see, okay, sun hat has sold the sale earnings the last 30 days, $23,000. And then the successful listings is 93. So this is a good product to place in your store. Most likely you will sell. And then once you scroll down here, you can see not only like sun hats, but you can see balaclava, which is also a good product to sell. You scroll down here, for example, you start seeing these. Look, all these hats, all these different hats has been selling well. So in the last 30 days, it has been sold 61 times, this product. And then you go down here, like for example, this one. There's so many good products to look and to get inspired from. And of course, you can filter out, exclude Vero, all right? Just be safe. And then you look down here. So for example, this hat here has been sold 74 times last 30 days for $9.78. It's good to see. What I like about this sun hat is because you have so many types of sun hats. So this is also a really good starting point of research if you want to dig into sun hats. Now, the second item is office supply. And office supply, we're here in the United States. I'll show you worldwide as well. You can see it is a stable, healthy line demand throughout the year. Look, this is the last 5 years and it's basically straight, growing a little bit here. And just to show you that this is a solid product, stable product to sell throughout the year. Once you jump to Zik Analytics, you see office supply. It has over 5,000% of sell-through. And then you have successful listings, 83% with an average product price of $65. So if the average product price is higher and then you see more sales here, the sale earnings is almost $500,000 the last 30 days. You scroll down here and then you see many things that you can get inspired and sell. For example, you know, all these office chairs, gaming chairs, like these printer paper. You can make money with all these office supplies, all these different products here. And they are in demand throughout the year, like computer chair throughout the year. And then you go like book planner throughout the year, leather gaming chair as well. But and then you also see these things like these label markers. You see like rubber bands and so on. So these things you can sell throughout the year because the demand is there. Even like these stamps right here. Now let's move to our next product, which is pet supply. So pet supply is almost the same as office supply, but the demand is actually higher throughout the year. And as you can see, you can compare here the office supply with the pet supply. You see the difference? Let's go worldwide and then we're gonna see it. Look, check it out. You see office supply worldwide and pet supply worldwide. So it's just above, right? Once you go to Zik Analytics, you can validate this demand. You can see the last 30 days, the sell-through rate was 9,000%. The sale earnings, $106,000. Successful listings 88%, and average product price almost $11. Now, pet supply is something that anyone that has pets, they have this demand in regular basis. So once you scroll down here, you have to keep your mind open for also other possible products that you want to sell. For example, when you think about like pet supply, I normally think about like leashes and like these little pads, you know, these training pads and everything. But check it out. You see like custom engraved pet tag, and you see pet vests, like these little clothes. And then you realize that, for example, here you can dive into this world of pet clothes. And it's a really good niche there, right? Because there's demand, as you can see here, sold 363 times the last 30 days. And then as you scroll down here, you see toys as well. I just want to show you that pet supply, there's not a specific product. It's a range of products that you can sell well throughout the year. And what I recommend is to jump into this niche, all right? You can even go to Zik Analytics category research and look for pets. For example, here you see pet supplies. They show more. And there's a list of dog supplies, fish aquariums, cat supplies, bird supplies, like everything, wholesale lots, other pet supplies. So there are many good suggestions. And 2023 will be a great year for this. So please look into this. Now let's move to our next product, which has always a really high demand throughout the year. And as you can see here in the last 5 years as well, is the nail polish. And let's look worldwide. It's the same thing. You know, there's the highs and the lows are a bit more distant, but the average is there. All right, average is there. People are looking for this product. So there's demand. And then once you jump to Zik Analytics again, we see here the sell-through rate, almost 7,000%. Successful listings, 73%. Now, look, here the average product price is $4.63, because let's be honest, nail polish are not expensive. I mean, they're not supposed to be expensive. So these products, you have to think about them as traffic products. If your profit margin isn't so high, sometimes it's okay. If there's demand, if there's not so many competitors, these products will give you a boost on your store because you make sales. You will get more positive feedback and so on. So these are really good traffic products for 2023. And keeping this in mind, go with eyebrow liner. Now, this is crazy right here. Do you see this graph? Looks like a mistake, right? But it's not. And then you go worldwide. It's basically like this, like a crazy heart, as if you were running a marathon after eating some McDonald's burgers, right? It's like this. Now, if you take all these and average out again, you're gonna see there's demand throughout the year. And eyebrow liner is something that women use, a lot of men are using nowadays as well, and it's something that has demand. Okay, so you see the sell-through here is almost 1,000%. Average product price as well, it's not so high, but think about it as traffic products for your store. Now, let's move to sleepwear. Sleepwear is very interesting because normally you see a peak here at the end of the year, because it's, I guess it's like Christmas time and it's cold and people look for that. To be honest, it's a product that it sells well. I mean, from personal experience, I can say that it sells well throughout the year. And you see worldwide here, there's a lot of demand. What's interesting that South Africa and Australia are winning here in terms of interest by region. And once you move to Zik Analytics, we see the demand is high. And then you see many lingeries, and then you see all these like Christmas pajamas as well, these matching pajamas. So here you can have an idea of also what to sell. So these products will sell. That's for sure. You know, if you're getting distracted here by the lingeries, let me tell you, lingeries is something that you can either sell for really cheap or really expensive. You have to source them well. And yes, you can make money out of it because there is also demand. Now let's move here to phone chargers. Phone chargers is something that we all need. And Google Trends shows it. Google Trends that is showing that it's pretty stable here, the results. Let's look worldwide. You see United States, United Kingdom, and Ireland are leading here, this interest. And look at this graph. Look at this graph. Stable. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, look, phone chargers for this year. And like for this year, I mean 2023, it is going to sell. Keep selling them. Check it out. The last 30 days, 15,000% sell-through rate, 94% successful listings. You can't really go wrong here. You scroll down and then you see all the variations. You see things, for example, which could be interesting, like for example, portable charger, solar power bank. So if you actually scan this title here in Zik Analytics, let's see what happens. Because this is a product that it's interesting, right? I mean, check it out. It has a high sell-through rate. And then you scroll down here, you see there are many options. And then you see even like drop shippers. Okay. The next product is Wi-Fi repeater. I never quite understood why, but a lot of people buy these Wi-Fi repeaters for offices, for their house, if their house is big and if the modem is like far away and everything, and actually works. It's very interesting to see. That's also a stable trend. It is lowering. You can see here it's going down a little bit, but that doesn't change the demand. It's high. And once you go to Zik Analytics, you see here 1,600% sell-through rate and $32,000 earnings. Successful listing 68, average product price 22. Now this is good products. You can find them in suppliers such as AliExpress and Alibaba for really cheap. And look, a lot of people say, "Oh, I'm not gonna sell or drop ship or whatever from Alibaba and AliExpress." With these suppliers, you can make a profit margin of like 30%, right? Like 40%. If you're gonna sell from Walmart, if you're gonna sell from Amazon, the profit margins, it's about around 10%. So take your time and look into it. And Wi-Fi repeaters, actually, AliExpress and Alibaba have really good ones for really cheap, and then you can make a really high profit margin. But let's move to the next one. Cat massage. Cat massage, again, looks like crazy, the graph. Let's move to worldwide. It's very stable. It's very stable. And if we look, for example, the last year, again, if you average out, it's stable. It's like 75 year. So this is a product, and it comes down again like to pet supply, like pet niche. And this specific product here, I want to show you, has a almost 500% sell-through rate. And these little hand things, man, they sell. And also this brush where you click like this. Actually, this product went viral on TikTok. This one that you brush them, and then you with a simple click, the fur comes out. It was one of those hashtag TikTok made me buy, right? And guess what? It's gonna be good for 2023, and you can find these products for really cheap as well in certain suppliers, and it's a stable product because there's demand all the time. And also these hand massager things, I don't know if you ever try them, but dogs and cats, they love this stuff. They really do. So here's cat massage, but it could be dog massage. Anyway, just throwing out there, if you have a cat or a dog at home and you don't have this, please consider buying one of these. Your dog and your cat will appreciate and thank you a lot. Okay, so minimalist wallets. I don't know about you, ladies and gentlemen, but I get a lot of ads of these things. A lot of ads, with all those fancy people and stuff with showing like these little minimalist wallets. So it's has demand, all right? And the graph is a bit crazy here, interest over time, but let's look worldwide. This is the last 5 years. Let's look into the last year. It's a funky graph, but once we go to Zik Analytics, we see that the demand is there, all right? So it has over 2,000% sell-through rate, successful listings 70%, the average product price almost $10. So as you can see here, these are the fancy wallets. Look how fancy it is, right? I mean, that's why like all the ads are so cool. It's like, anyway, I'm just getting carried away here. What I want to say is that these minimalist wallets, this is like a keyword that has been growing a lot, not only like, in like Google trends and everything, but I'm sure you also have seen this in, Instagram ads and like TikTok and everything. So I think the demand is there, this year was there, and it's gonna be there in 2023. I just listed these to my store as well, so let's see what happens. All right, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think of these products by commenting down below, and I wish you the best of luck in 2023 with these products. Good sales, keep moving forward, and see you next time.